Welcome to Jaffna Total Solutions, your premier multidisciplinary corporate partner. Since 2014, we have been empowering modern enterprises across Sri Lanka.
Hello, and welcome to Jaffna Total Solutions PIT Ltd. Looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient, and feature-packed hatchback? Here's an excellent opportunity. Presenting this SuzukiWagonR Stingray, registered in 2018, finished in a stunning pearl white color. This vehicle comes equipped with a push start and smart key, auto safety brake, head-up display, lane departure warning, traction control, climate control air conditioning, automatic headlights, and seat heaters for maximum comfort and safety. Enjoy your drive with a Nakimichi Android player featuring Apple CarPlay, reverse camera, multifunction steering wheel, auto idle start-stop, winker mirrors, alloy wheels, rear wiper, and a sporty body kit. This vehicle is in mint condition with only 87,000 kilometers driven and comes with complete A to Z service records, ensuring complete peace of mind. Price of LKR 7.45 million. Purchase through Jaffna Total Solutions PIT Ltd and enjoy a transparent 1% commission, flexible financing options, and zero hidden charges. For more information or to arrange a viewing, call or WhatsApp us today on +94 71 889 8999. Visit www.jaffnatotals.lk and follow @JaffnaTotals on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Threads, YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn for daily vehicle updates. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Jaffna Total Solutions PIT Ltd YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest vehicle listings and exclusive deals. Jaffna Total Solutions PIT Ltd. Total Solutions, Trusted Acceptance.